Google Ads are the perfect tool to help you reach the right customers for your small business. Google gives you access to a massive audience looking for the products and services you offer. Whether you need to reach local and regional customers or just want to improve the quality of your website visitors, Google Ads can help. These are the options you see when you search for products or services related to your business. Google Ads are an efficient way to promote products and services to a large audience searching for these specific key terms. The best way to reach your target audience through Google Ads is to think like a customer. What types of products and services are your target audience looking for? Research your audience first, then create relevant ads. You can't create ads that speak directly to your customers if you don't know what your customer looks like. You want your ads to speak to your ideal customer and to be relevant to the search terms you're bidding on. Looking for more information on how to get started with Google Ads? Reach out to Creatively Disruptive today.